Recently, a deepfake scam in Hong Kong tricked a company out of millions. A finance worker at a multinational firm was tricked into paying out $25 million to fraudsters using deepfake technology to pose as the company's chief financial officer in a video conference call, according to Hong Kong police. AI has become a threat to digital banking. At the same time, AI also provides solutions to the financial industry. It's changing how we bank, invest, and manage money. From detecting fraud to predicting trends, AI is transforming finance. It's a fundamental shift in financial operations. AI automates tasks, provides insights, and makes decisions. Every time you check your balance or get a loan, AI is at work. But with this revolution come challenges. Concerns include job displacement, bias, and regulation. Hello, this is Andy again from AI World. Join us as we explore how deepfake risks your digital financial transaction. To understand the transformative power of AI in finance, we need to first understand the fuel that powers it: data. The financial sector is a data goldmine, generating massive amounts of information every second. Every transaction, every stock price fluctuation, every customer interaction leaves a digital footprint. AI has revolutionized fraud detection, identifying suspicious activities in real time with unparalleled accuracy. It also offers personalized financial advice, tailoring recommendations to individual needs and goals. In trading, AI algorithms analyze vast datasets, identify patterns, and make predictions with a speed and accuracy that humans simply can't match. However, the rise of AI brings challenges, such as data privacy concerns and the risk of algorithmic biases. Recent examples show both the promise and the pitfalls of AI in finance, highlighting the need for careful implementation and oversight. Unfortunately, AI has also been used to hack banks and individual accounts. Hackers employ sophisticated AI algorithms to breach security systems, often using methods like deep learning to predict and exploit vulnerabilities. The impact of these hacks can be devastating, leading to significant financial losses and eroding trust in digital banking systems. These incidents underscore the importance of robust cybersecurity measures and constant vigilance. Today we look into how artificial intelligence is transforming the financial landscape. And we'll start with a problem that keeps every banker awake at night: fraud. AI is throwing some pretty impressive punches in this fight. Think of AI as the invisible guardian of your finances. That's AI in action, analyzing your spending patterns in real time. AI is getting really good at predicting fraud before it even happens. By analyzing millions of data points, AI can identify subtle patterns and anomalies. And the best part? AI is a tireless worker. It can tirelessly analyze mountains of data 24/7. Now, let's pull back the curtain and see how AI actually outsmarts these financial fraudsters. One of its secret weapons is something called machine learning. It's a fancy way of saying that AI learns from its experiences, just like we do. But unlike us, AI can analyze millions of examples in the blink of an eye. So, every time a fraudster tries a new trick, AI takes note. It learns the telltale signs of fraudulent activity and uses that knowledge to prevent similar scams in the future. AI is also a master of pattern recognition. It can spot those tiny inconsistencies that our human eyes might miss. For example, AI can analyze your location data to see if your credit card is being used in a place you've never been. Or it can detect if your typing speed or mouse movements are different from your usual patterns, suggesting someone else might be trying to access your account. As fraudsters become more sophisticated, so does AI, always staying one step ahead. The impact of AI on fraud detection goes beyond just protecting our money. It's changing the entire financial landscape. For businesses, it means fewer losses, lower operational costs, and a chance to build trust with their customers. For consumers, it means greater peace of mind, knowing that their finances are in safe, AI-powered hands. But the fight against fraud never truly ends. As technology evolves, so will the tactics of fraudsters. With AI as our ally, we can create a financial system that is not only more secure, but also more inclusive and accessible for everyone. The future belongs to those who can harness the power of AI to build a safer and more equitable financial system. Now let's move to the adrenaline-fueled arena of Wall Street. Algorithms are making millions in the blink of an eye. AI is calling the shots at lightning speed. Forget traders yelling on the stock exchange floor. Today's trading floors look more like server rooms. Rows of powerful computers, guided by AI algorithms. They analyze market data in real time and execute trades with precision. So how do these trading algorithms actually work? It's a bit like a complex symphony, with different parts working together in harmony. First, you have the data scientists and engineers who build these algorithms. They feed them massive amounts of historical market data, news feeds, social media sentiment, and even weather reports. Then, the magic of machine learning kicks in. The algorithms analyze this data, looking for patterns and correlations that might indicate future price movements. They use this knowledge to create trading strategies, essentially sets of rules that dictate when to buy, sell, or hold a particular asset. These algorithms are constantly learning and adapting to changing market conditions. They monitor market volatility, news events, and even the actions of other market participants to adjust their strategies in real time. We're talking about high-frequency trading, where algorithms can execute thousands, even millions of trades per second. It's a world where milliseconds can mean the difference between a huge profit and a significant loss. Now, you might be thinking, does this mean human traders are obsolete? Not quite. While AI has undoubtedly transformed the trading landscape, there's still a crucial role for human expertise. Think of it as a partnership, with AI handling the heavy lifting of data analysis and execution, while human traders provide the strategic direction and oversight. Humans are still needed to set the overall investment goals, manage risk, and make those big-picture decisions that require intuition and experience. Algorithmic trading, for all its benefits, also raises concerns about market manipulation, fairness, and the potential for unintended consequences. That's why it's crucial to have human oversight to ensure that these powerful AI systems are used responsibly and ethically. The future of trading is likely to be a blend of human and machine intelligence, working together to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. And now we move from the fast-paced world of Wall Street to something much more personal, your own financial well-being. For years, financial advice was a one-size-fits-all affair. You went to a financial advisor, filled out some forms, and got a generic plan that may or may not have been right for your specific needs. But AI is changing all that. It's ushering in an era of personalized finance where advice is tailored to your individual goals, risk tolerance, and even your spending habits. Think of it like having a personal financial assistant available 24/7, guiding you every step of the way. AI-powered apps and platforms are now making sophisticated financial planning accessible to everyone, not just the wealthy. These apps can analyze your income, expenses, and investment goals to create a personalized financial plan that adapts to your changing needs. Imagine having a financial GPS that helps you navigate the often confusing world of money management. That's essentially what AI is becoming. Need help creating a budget that actually works? AI can analyze your spending patterns and identify areas where you can cut back without feeling deprived. Want to start investing but don't know where to begin? AI-powered robo-advisors can build you a diversified investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. And if you're struggling with debt, AI can help you create a debt repayment plan that gets you back on track. AI can also automate tedious financial tasks, like paying bills, tracking your investments, and even filing your taxes. This frees up your time so you can focus on what really matters, achieving your financial goals. With AI as your co-pilot, managing your money becomes less of a chore and more of a journey towards financial well-being. One of the most exciting aspects of AI in finance is its potential to bridge the financial literacy gap. For too long, Access to sound financial advice and tools has been a privilege reserved for the few. But AI has the power to democratize financial knowledge, empowering everyone to make informed decisions about their money. AI-powered educational platforms can provide personalized financial literacy lessons, tailored to your specific learning style and knowledge level. These platforms can break down complex financial concepts into bite-sized, digestible pieces, making it easier for everyone to understand. By making financial knowledge more accessible, AI can empower individuals to take control of their financial futures and build a more secure financial future for themselves and their families. It's about leveling the playing field and ensuring that everyone has the tools and knowledge they need to thrive in an increasingly complex financial world. And now, let's move from the theoretical to the tangible. It's time to look at some real-world examples of AI flexing its muscles in the financial sector. These aren't just futuristic concepts. These are companies and institutions that are already using AI to achieve remarkable results. Take MasterCard, for example. They've been at the forefront of AI-powered fraud detection for years. Their AI system analyzes billions of transactions in real time, identifying and blocking fraudulent activity with remarkable accuracy. This has resulted in billions of dollars saved and a significant reduction in fraud rates. Then there's JP Chase, one of the world's largest financial institutions. They've embraced AI to streamline their operations, from customer service to loan approvals. Their AI-powered chatbot, for instance, can handle millions of customer inquiries every year, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex issues. Beyond the hype, real-world impact. It's easy to get caught up in the hype surrounding AI, but what does it all mean in practical terms? How is AI truly impacting the lives of everyday people and the financial institutions that serve them? For consumers, AI is making financial services more accessible, affordable, and personalized than ever before. Thanks to AI-powered robo-advisors, even those with limited savings can access sophisticated investment advice. AI-driven budgeting apps are helping people gain control of their finances and achieve their financial goals. On the institutional side, AI is driving efficiency, reducing costs, and improving risk management. Banks are using AI to automate loan approvals, detect fraud more effectively, and provide personalized customer service. The impact of AI in finance is far-reaching, touching every aspect of the industry and transforming the way we interact with our money. The human-AI partnership, a symbiotic relationship. Now, as we stand on the cusp of this AI-powered future, it's important to remember one crucial thing. AI is not here to replace humans in the financial world. Instead, the most effective approach is one of collaboration, a symbiotic relationship where human intelligence and artificial intelligence work together to achieve common goals. Think of it as a fusion of strengths. Humans bring creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and ethical judgment to the table. AI, on the other hand, excels at data analysis, pattern recognition, speed, and tireless execution. By combining these complementary skill sets, we can unlock the full potential of AI in finance. Humans can provide the strategic direction, setting the overall goals, and ensuring ethical considerations are paramount. AI can handle the heavy lifting of data processing, risk assessment, and personalized recommendations. The road ahead, navigating the future of AI in finance. As we've seen, artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy in the world of finance. It's a powerful force that's reshaping the industry as we speak. From catching fraudsters in their tracks to crafting personalized investment strategies, AI is changing the game. And this is just the beginning. Imagine a future where AI helps us predict and mitigate systemic financial risks, creating a more stable global economy. Imagine AI making financial education so engaging and personalized that it becomes accessible and understandable to everyone, regardless of their background. But this future isn't guaranteed. The road ahead is paved with both opportunities and challenges. We need to address concerns about algorithmic bias, ensure responsible AI development, and create robust regulations that foster innovation while protecting consumers. The future of AI in finance isn't something that will just happen to us. It's something we need to actively shape. It requires a collaborative effort from policymakers, industry leaders, researchers, and citizens to harness AI's potential while mitigating its risks. Pause 3s. As we look to the future, it's crucial to understand how AI can not only enhance, but also protect our financial well-being. Deepfake AI, while often discussed in the context of manipulated media, poses a significant threat to financial security. Imagine a scenario where a hacker uses deepfake technology to impersonate you and gain access to your bank account. The question is, how can you safeguard your financial future in this AI-driven world? First and foremost, always enable two-factor authentication on your financial accounts. This adds an extra layer of security that makes it much harder for unauthorized users to gain access. Regularly updating your passwords and using strong, unique passwords for each account is another critical step. Additionally, stay informed about the latest developments in AI and cybersecurity. Remember, while AI offers incredible benefits, it also requires us to be vigilant and proactive in protecting our personal information. Well, folks, this is what we have for you today. In the future, we will look in detail on how we can protect our financial transaction from AI-assisted hackers. Until then, stay safe. Please don't forget to like us and subscribe to AI World to get similar updates on artificial intelligence.